Hello, in this video I'll show you how to make a beaded strip using the flat-top Count Peyote stitch. I have already added my stopper bead to the thread and now I'm going to string 13 beads. Just like in flatted Count Peyote stitch, the first beads are added all at once and determine the height of our strip. I need a strip 13 beads high because I'll be adding a tassel in the center. Let's begin. We pick up the first bead and follow the same process. Skip one bead on the thread, go through the next one and pull the thread tight. This way, the new bead sits neatly next to the one on the thread. I continue adding beads quickly because the first difference compared to even Count Peyote becomes noticeable towards the end of this row. So we pick up a bead, skip one, go through the next, and repeat. At this point, I end up with only one bead left at the bottom. To add the next bead, I need to pass through this bead from bottom to top and then pass through these two beads. Now, this bead on the right is my new bead. I was able to add it by first passing the needle through the bead on the left, then through these two beads to get into position and start a new row. Unlike in flatted and Count Peyote stitch, our second row doesn't start from the top, but instead we must begin from here. We continue as usual, filling the space with the beads. And here we are. This row is almost complete, but we are still missing a bead at the top. Let's start a new row. Pick up a bead, place it in the gap and continue. When I reach the bottom again, I must pass through two beads to position myself correctly before adding a new one. So in flat-out Count Peyote stitch, you don't complete the row in a single pass. You need a bit more intuition to navigate the pattern.